Hello guys, welcome to our class. Today we are going to work with Inglés Básico 1 and we're going to work with pages 12 and 13, okay? File 2B, okay? And the objective of today's class is say numbers. So we're going to talk about numbers, okay? Numbers, and we are going to start with a question that we already used during the first class, I think, or the second class. And the question is about your telephone number, okay? How do you ask the telephone number in English? You say? Let's see. So we have to say, what's your phone number? Or you can also, phone. What's your phone number? Or you can say cell phone number. Okay, that is the one. Or you can say, what's your WhatsApp? I don't know, yeah? So, but that's the thing. What's your phone number? And in this case, in English, it's more common to say the numbers one by one. You know that we mentioned that during the first class. For example, in my case, I would say it's 9452702. Okay, that's my number. Okay, my telephone number. So in this case, it's better to say the numbers. The telephone number, number by number. Okay, so we say 9452700602. Okay, in that case it's easier. Yeah, and what happened with this number? Because this number is number 0. Okay, so this is 0. Yeah, but in this case of number, it's instead of saying 0, we better say like the vowel, we say O. O. Yeah? So it's better to say like O. Yeah, it's better because imagine that you say the number. You say, it's 9452700602. So in this case, it sounds more natural if you say it's 9452700602. Okay. Igual que la vocal, O. Yeah? So this is the way in which we answer our telephone number. Of course, in this case, you can also say, instead of saying it's, you can also say, my phone number is, okay? But it's not necessary. You have to say it's, yeah? And that's okay with that. Okay. So we have numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Remember, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Important. 8. Okay? No es H-A. No, it's 8. 9 and 10. Okay, so then we have the numbers. Then we have the other numbers that, of course, this one is number 11. Okay, so then we have the 1. Okay, and now we're going to check the difference between the other numbers. For example, what's the difference between this one and this one? Okay. Okay, we're going to check the pronunciation. Okay, so please pay attention to the pronunciation of these numbers.
1.57 1 A 13 B 30 2 A
14
B
40
3. A. 15. B. 50. 4. A.
16.
B.
60.
5. A. 17. B. 70. 6. A.
18.
B.
80.
7. A. 19. B. 90.
Okay, so the difference between this number, for example, in this case, we are going to see that, for example, in this case, we have 13, and this is 30, okay? So look at the difference. Very important this part, remember, in this case, the pronunciation is er, so we say 13, 13, and in this case, it's the same. We have that part and we say 30, okay? We have another one. Pay attention. We have 14 and we have 40. Be careful here. In this case it's 14 and in this case just 40. Look at the difference in the pronunciation. For example, in this case when we say 14, the stress is like this one, como que el acento sube. We say 14. And in this case it's different. We say 40. So you see the difference in the pronunciation. We say 14, 40. We have the other one. We have 15 and 50. Okay? So that is the difference in the case of the numbers. We have the other one. 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so the stress is that one. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. ¿A qué me refiero con esto? Es que sube la acentuación. 18. Different than this one that we say 60. Como que se acentúa ahí. 60. The other one is 70. This is 80 and 90. Okay, so those are the numbers that we use, like with from 13 to 19 and 30 to 19. Of course, we are going to say the numbers here for you to know. This is 12 and this is 20. Do you know? Different. 12, 20, okay? Let's continue with numbers. We're going to check other numbers. For example, in this case, we have this one, okay, can you say these numbers? What number is this one? How do you say 20 in English? 20. So in this case we say 25. Yeah, 25. How do you say 30? Remember the pronunciation. 30. So it's 36. The other one, we have 40. Be careful. Recuerden que no va con U ahí, solo con la O. 40. 40, 7. What number is this one? How do you say 50? 50. 58. Okay. Let's go to the other one. How do you say 60 in English? 60. 64. Very good. What number is this one? Number 73. Number 82. Okay? And finally, number 91. Correct. That's the number that we have here. Okay, so here we have the numbers here. Remember that you have to say 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 36, 34, and the other number. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 91, 92, and then you continue with all the numbers, okay? And we're going to add one more. How do you say 100 in English? 100? We say 100, okay? 100, okay? That is the number. Okay, guys, well, we're ready. Say numbers, yeah? So it's important that you know the numbers and the correct pronunciation. Remember, from 1 to 10, when we say our telephone number, in general, remember that we say number by number. It's 746-342-179, yeah? It's better than say it like in the other way, yeah? So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in our next class. Goodbye.